Add half cup oil. Add slice onion. Fry and after golden brown, put in plate. Onion, ginger, tomato, green chilies, and red chili. Full cream. You grate 3 tablespoons. Chopped ingredients. In oil, add garlic, 11 to 12 cloves. Add 750 grams beef meat or mutton. Fry well. Add salt to taste. Black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, 11 to 12 black pepper. Add in meat. Fry. Oil should be separate. Add spices. Qorma masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, crushed. Add in meat. Mix well. Add brown onion. Mix and fry. Add tomato, green chilies, onion, ginger and Euro paste. Mix well and add 2 cups hot water. Whistle for 20 minutes. Meat cook 100%. After whistle, open the lid. Add garam masala. Mix well. Put in plate and garnish with green coriander and ginger. Serve with salad. Beef korma is ready to eat. Like, share, subscribe. Today's beef korma menu. Kun Food Official, subscribe.